Over the past 6 months, the college has been taken over by construction crews. They're busy equipping these new spaces in a very exciting way for us. The really important thing about the design space is the way that it incorporates technology. So with the introduction of smaller scale digital fabrication equipment, we're now able to have equipment that used to be in a distant workshop actually on the studio floor with students. We're going to have 3D printers, we're going to have laser cutters, electronics manufacturing facilities, all there beside the spaces that you will be working on your computer terminals, having meetings and seminars. We think the space will reflect more appropriately the creativity that we aspire to. We run an innovative design program. We're looking at working with students in new fields of design, making sure that they're digital natives along the way. So it's a particularly exciting time for us in the college, and it will be a particularly exciting time for students coming into the college. This is the creative hub of their activities.